welcome to another exciting video. It's your undercover agent Gabriella from KarmaLifestyles.com bringing you the spicy topics on dating and relationships. Have you ever wondered how you can get a girl to open up to you? Well, in today's video, we take a different approach and look at how to get a girl to open up to you. But guys, before I continue, why don't you hit that lovely subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on the next coming video. You can get any woman you desire if you can get her to trust you and open up. A girl opening up to you is a swift way to build trust and also understand the woman you've approached. However, most women are shy about opening up to just anyone. She has to feel safe and comfortable around you to open up. Inspire confidence and comfort. Most of the time, people don't open up because of shame or guilt. You are not sure how people will take it and how their perception of you will change. A woman might find it really hard to open up to a guy she likes because she doesn't want to scare him. Most women will be reluctant about opening up to you because of the insecurity that they might display. Inspiring confidence and comforting a woman can make her feel safe to open up. You can give a woman confidence by providing a safe space for her to open up. It will help her overcome her insecurities, shame, and guilt. Building a woman's confidence also boosts her trust in you, and that will help you when you want her to open up. Genuinely desire to listen. Most guys want women to open up until they do. Once a woman starts talking, they switch off because the ear beating is too much. When you know what to do, a woman can easily open up to you. Women are naturally chatty, and the more that she talks, the easier it becomes for her to open up to you. But she needs to feel that you care, and that feeling will get her to open up more. Listening is a foolproof. Listening is a foolproof technique to show a woman that you care and are genuinely concerned. Listening also sends subtle cues to a woman that she's being understood, heard, and not judged. These are aspects that can inspire a woman to open up deeper to you. When you listen to a woman talk, you can hear past her words and notice her hidden pain. You can explore that pain to make the woman want to be an open book. Take control of the conversation frame. Mastering the art of conversation is crucial if you want to get the woman to open up. Conversations are flexible, and most women don't want to reveal much about themselves before they know and understand you. However, you can still get a woman to have just met to open up to you. Controlling the conversation frame gives you the power to transition from one topic to another and also determine the emotions that will be the dominant in the conversation. What do you want to know about her? Asking the right questions as a bridging technique can help you explore the things that you want to know about a girl. The trick is to make it sound like you care, not an interrogation, and she will open up to you. Open up about yourself. Deep conversations are characterized by intense emotions. People avoid deep conversations because of the vulnerability they expose about a person. Opening up about yourself can help build trust, confidence, and comfort in the woman. Showing your vulnerability can inspire deep emotions that will trigger a woman and make her open up to you. Opening up about yourself also shows that you are non-judgmental and your intentions are clear. That will boost a woman's confidence in you and build trust that's crucial to get her to open up. Build on mutual interests. It's an uphill task if your main goal is to make a girl open up to you. Opening up is a natural process that takes place when a girl feels comfortable doing it. Women also avoid guys that seem intrusive with their personal lives. The best approach to get a girl to open up to you is to build on the shared interests and principles. It gives you a chance to open up deeper about the things that you share. Starting from the known creates a good rapport for you to explore the unknown. Understanding shared interests gives you an idea of the woman you're talking to. That way, you'll know which buttons to push to get the information you want. A woman needs to feel safe to open up to you. Create an ambience that will inspire safety. It can be very challenging to open up when you feel that strangers around you will eavesdrop on the whole conversation. A nice private place can create a good environment to talk about the things that matter. Well, that's all I had time for today, guys, but it was a pleasure to have you join me until the end of the video. Please check out our ebooks and products at KarmaLifestyles.com, and if you enjoyed my video, then please like, share and subscribe. I'm Gabby, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! you.